Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix a post problem on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on your profile icon in the bottom right. Click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now click on creation and we can see this option that is posting video. Simply tap on that and we can see an option that is blocked from posting. Simply tap on that, and here we can see that if you have violated any community guidelines, this action might have been taken, and if you have not violated any community guidelines and yet there is a problem, simply get back and click on other. Now click on need more help, and over here we get into TikTok help text where we need to write our problem that we are unable to post a video or we have the posting problem on TikTok. Once you write your problem, simply send the message from this send icon over here and your problem will finally be addressed by TikTok help desk and it will be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.